Hey guys, we're back over here at the stash. It's Ravi. We're going to be talking about the Air Force One Travis Scott's again, but this time we're not going to be talking about the shoes. We're going to be talking about the box. So let's get right into it. Alrighty guys, today we're going to be talking about Travis Scott Air Force Ones, but we're not going to be talking about the shoe. So we're going to leave the shoes back in the box, and we're going to talk about the box itself. If you guys want to learn more about the shoes, then be sure to go hit there's some icon somewhere. I'll put it up somewhere. So you can go click that if you want to go check out the shoes. We just talked about it in another video. Honestly, it's got some cool things to it. Let's start off with the top. So over here, Nike did a Nike swoosh in blue, in this nice, this nice baby blue looking, a little bit darker than baby blue, lighter than blue. I don't know what kind of blue this is, but it's a very nice blue. Then they did this like off-white cream color. We talked about it with the laces yesterday. I really like the scheme that they got going on in this top with the blue and this cream. I would love to see more of this. This would be dope. So good job, Nike. Over here, you see it says Cactus Jack, and this says Cactus, that says Jack. And it's like these branches, and it's in brown. And what's really cool about this is that it's glossy as well. It's glossy on top of the matte side with a matte cream, but it's also a little bit elevated compared to the box. So you can really feel it when you scratch your finger over it. That's a really nice small touch. Over here on the back, you see the smiley face. Travis tends to do this. I've seen him do this like a couple times. The other time we saw him do it was on the 6s, and I thought that was really dope. I'm not too sure what that resembles, but I know that's like his own thing. I would love to see more of the smiley face. Now on this side, this is gonna be the coolest side of the box. Now we got this like plastic see-through thing. It's like a showcase. It's like a little window there, I think. Now this, I can tell you for sure, this is Travis's team right here. There's no way, I mean, I'd hate if I was wrong, but and I'm not trying to diss anybody, but there's no way Nike did this. This was Travis's team, bro, right here. And I love it because you just kind of like, it's like a see-through, right? You can really see into the box. And as you can see, it says Cactus Jack Records, and they did it in this own kind of new kind of characters, which is really dope to see. It's a great transition to the paper. This paper. Now, we talked about paper in other videos, and you know, we've seen Nike do very kind of like not great paper, and that's why I hate when they don't do good paper and unboxings on like great shoes, because you know that they can do it, and it's just like, why not do it if you can do it? But yeah, on this paper, we see them say, again, Cactus Jack Records all over it. I just think this paper is also like, it's not just like paper. It's not just like cheap paper. Like this is like some nice like paper. Like I can go like this and it's not gonna rip. Like I really tried to rip it, it's gonna rip obviously because it's still paper, but we're not gonna try to rip it. But I really like the paper they're using. It's also really nice and glossy, as well as it's got a really nice like color. I just think that the color scheme that they did on this shoe with the cream, the brown, the blue, and the paper, I wouldn't even know what this is because it's in between like brown and cream. Like it works really well. That's just crazy because like this is, like I said, this is just the box. This isn't even the shoe itself. And it provides so much and gives so much insight to the person who really is buying the shoe. So that's gonna be it for me, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this little talk about the box. If you guys wanna go check out the actual video on the shoes, then go hit the link in the description. Also go check out one of the cards above. If you guys wanna grab some merch from me or Stitch, then hit up Stitch on Snapchat, hit me up on Instagram. All those things are in the description, as well as our website. Go check that out and join the club today. Also, don't forget to subscribe. That's gonna be it, guys. Yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next shoe. We out.